Happy day, children. Welcome back to our class. Okay, children, listen this picture. It's one of the monument. Do you know this monument name? Yeah, this is a Red Fort. Okay, children, where it is located? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. India has many states, isn't it? India has many states. Okay, today we are going to see about the new lesson. The states of India. The states of India. Listen here. Location and extent. India lies in the continent of Asia. India lies in the continent of Asia. It is the second most populated country. It is the second most populated country after China. India stretches from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh in the north to Kanyakumari in the south and Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. India stretches from Jammu and Kashmir. Already we know direction, isn't it? Yeah, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh in the northern side. Southern side Kanyakumari and west Gujarat, Arunachal Pradesh in east. Our country is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. In the north, there is a range of great mountains called Himalayas. Our country is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, west Arabian Sea, and south Indian Ocean, and north a range of great mountains called the Himalayas. Okay, neighboring countries. These are the neighboring countries of India. Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west. Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west. China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north. Sri Lanka in the south. Eastern side Bangladesh and Myanmar. In the west Pakistan and Afghanistan. North China, Nepal, Bhutan, and south Sri Lanka. It is not easy to govern such a large country with so many diversities. It is not easy to govern such a large country with so many diversities to look after the welfare of all the people living in different parts of the country. Isn't it? All the people living in different parts of your country. India has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. India has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. But nowadays, how many states? 29 states and 7 union territories for nowadays. The states and union territories are subdivided into districts. The states and union territories are subdivided into districts. Each state and union territory has its own capital. Isn't it? Each state and union territory has its own capital. For example, we are living which state? Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu has capital, isn't it? Okay, Tamil Nadu capital Chennai. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. The neighboring countries of India, the eastern side Bangladesh and Myanmar, the western side Pakistan and Afghanistan, north China, Nepal and Bhutan, south Sri Lanka. India has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. The state and union territories are subdivided into districts. Each state and union territory has its own capital. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, next, states of India. States, capital and place of interest. Listen here, state Assam, capital Dispur and place of interest Kaziranga National Park. The next state Arunachal Pradesh, capital Itanagar, place of interest Twang Monastery. Third state Andhra Pradesh, capital Amaravati, place of interest Charminar. State Bihar, capital Patna, place of interest Golgar. State Chhattisgarh, capital Raipur, place of interest Chitrakoot Fall. State Gujarat, capital Gandhinagar, place of interest Somnath Temple. State Goa, capital Panaji, place of interest Basilica Bom Jesus. State Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla, place of interest Manali Hill Station. State Haryana, capital Chandigarh, place of interest Rock Garden. State Jharkhand, capital Ranchi, place of interest Dasam Falls. State Kerala, capital Thiruvananthapuram, place of interest Kovalam Beach. State Karnataka, capital Bangalore, place of interest Vidhan Shada. State Mizoram, capital Aizawl, place of interest Palak Lake. State Madhya Pradesh, capital Bhopal, place of interest Bhimbetka Caves. State Meghalaya, capital Shillong, place of interest Loktak Lake. State Manipur, capital Impal, place of interest Manipur State Museum. State Maharashtra, capital Mumbai, place of interest Gateway of India. State Nagaland, capital Kohima, place of interest Kohima Cathedral. State Odisha, capital Bhubaneswar, place of interest Jagannath Temple. Place Punjab, State Punjab, capital Chandigarh, place of interest Golden Temple. State Rajasthan, capital Jaipur, place of interest Amar Fort. State Sikkim, capital Gangtok, place of interest Rumtek Monastery. State Tripura, capital Agartala, place of interest Gumti Wildlife Sanctuaries. State Tamil Nadu, capital Chennai, place of interest Marina Beach. State Telangana, capital Hyderabad, place of interest Kuntala Waterfall. State Uttarakhand, capital Dehradun, place of interest Mussoorie Hill Station. The next state Uttar Pradesh, capital Lucknow, place of interest Bara Imambara. The next state West Bengal, capital Kolkata, place of interest Victoria Memorial. The next one Union Territories. Union Territories of India. Union Territory Andaman and Nicobar Island, capital Port Belay. Place of interest, cellular jail. Union Territory, Chandigarh. Capital also Chandigarh. Place of interest, Chukna Lake. Union Territory, Daman and Diu. Capital, Daman. And place of interest, Ganeshwar Temple. Union Territory, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Capital, Silvassa. Place of interest, Swami Narayanan Temple. Union Territory, Lakshadweep. Capital, Kavaratti. Place of interest, Miniko Island. Union Territory, National Capital Region of Delhi. Capital, New Delhi. Place of interest, Red Fort. Union Territory, Puducherry. Capital, also Puducherry. Place of interest, Sri Aurobindo Ashramam. Union Territory, Jammu and Kashmir. Capital, Jammu in winter, Srinagar in summer. Place of interest, Dal Lake. Union Territory, Ladakh. Capital, Leh. Place of interest, Diskit Monastery, Nubra Valley, Leh. You can listen here. State and capital, Assam, Deshpur. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Goa, Panaji. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Haryana, Chandigarh. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Karnataka, Bangalore. Mizoram, Aizawl. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Manipur, Impal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tripura, Agartala. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata. And Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. There are 20, here given 28 states and 9 union territories. India neighboring countries. In the northern side, China, Nepal and Bhutan. Northern side, China, Nepal and Bhutan. Southern side, Sri Lanka. North, China, Nepal, Bhutan. South, Sri Lanka. In the east, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Myanmar and Bangladesh. The west, Afghanistan and Pakistan. Northern side, China, Nepal, Bhutan. Southern side, Sri Lanka. East, Myanmar, Bangladesh and the west, Pakistan, Afghanistan. The 9 union territories: Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Belay, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Daman, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, National Capital Region of Delhi, New Delhi, Puducherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu in winter, Srinagar in summer, Ladakh, Leh. How many states in our country? They are given 28 states and 9 union territories. 28 states and 9 union territories. But nowadays 29 states. 29 states. Okay children, we will see the next class. Thank you.